Hey everyone, welcome back to SkinLaserScience and number 1 in our series where we discuss skincare ingredients with science-backed approach. Today we're talking about a skincare ingredient that's absolutely essential for healthy, hydrated and youthful skin, ceramides. If you've heard the name but aren't quite sure what ceramides actually do, or why they're featured in so many skincare products, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Ceramides are a type of skin-identical lipid, meaning they are natural fats that make up about 30 to 50% of the outermost layer of your skin, called the stratum corneum. Think of your skin cells as bricks, and ceramides as the mortar holding those bricks together. This mortar creates a strong barrier that locks in moisture and protects your skin from harmful external factors like pollution, bacteria, and irritants. This places ceramides firmly in the barrier repair and skin replenishing group of skincare ingredients, which help maintain your skin's natural protective shield. Why does this matter? Because as we age, or when our skin is exposed to harsh conditions or certain skin disorders like eczema or psoriasis, ceramide levels drop. This weakens the skin barrier, leading to dryness, irritation, redness, and increased sensitivity. Replenishing ceramides helps restore this barrier, keeping your skin hydrated, smooth, and resilient. Misty. Now here's where science backs up these claims. Clinical studies have shown that topical ceramide-containing products can significantly improve skin hydration and barrier function. For example, one study found that a single application of a ceramide-rich moisturizer increased skin hydration and reduced water loss for up to 24 hours. After 28 days of continuous use, participants showed a noticeable decrease in wrinkles and improved skin texture. Another clinical trial demonstrated that ceramide formulations helped protect skin against UV-induced damage, reinforcing their role in skin health beyond hydration. Let me share a quick case study. In a controlled study involving individuals with dry, sensitive skin, daily use of a ceramide-containing cream for 4 weeks resulted in a significant reduction in dryness and irritation. Participants reported their skin felt softer and more comfortable, and objective measurements confirmed improved barrier integrity. Cosmetic companies love using ceramides for these reasons. When you apply a moisturizer or serum with ceramides, it helps repair and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. This means your skin can hold on to moisture better, look healthier, and even calm down if it's feeling sensitive or irritated. Plus, ceramides are gentle enough for all skin types, including those with acne, dryness, or aging concerns. At SkinLaserScience, we don't just share popular opinions or marketing claims. We dive deep into clinical studies, scientific papers, and case studies that prove how ceramides work and why they're effective. We bring you the facts backed by research so you can make confident choices about your skincare. If you want to add ceramides to your routine, look for products containing ceramides alongside cholesterol and fatty acids. These ingredients work together to mimic your skin's natural makeup and deliver the best results. Using these products daily, morning and night, can make a big difference in how your skin feels and looks over time. So, whether you're just starting to care about your skin or looking for ways to keep it healthy as you age, ceramides are a must-have ingredient. They're the unsung heroes that keep your skin hydrated, protected, and glowing, no matter your age. Thanks so much for tuning in to SkinLaserScience, where we bring you the science behind beautiful skin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss our skincare tips and science-backed advice. Drop your questions or favorite ceramide products in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay radiant and take great care of your skin. See you in the next video.